We are going to be seeing some very quiet weather across northern and central Minnesota over the next week. A little different story as we head into the southern part of the state where we may see a little bit of snow. But for us, it's going to be pretty quiet, very mild as well, especially early this week. Temperatures may drop a little bit as we head towards the middle and end of this week. More on that forecast for you in just a second. First, our current conditions. In Brainerd, we have cloudy skies. It's 28 degrees. The dew point is at 18. Barometer is falling. Winds are south at 10 miles per hour. In Bemidji, it's cloudy and 23. 14 is the dew point. We've got 68% humidity with southeast winds at 13 miles per hour. Heading into the rest of the state, the current temperatures, some cooler temperatures now filtering into the northern part of the state. Temperatures only in the teens, 16 in Roseau and International Falls, Fosston in at 18. We're in at 23 in Park Rapids, 28 in Little Falls. Checking in with those eagle eyes tonight. Dewy in Park Rapids, seeing cloudy skies today. -1 was the low this morning. We had a high of 30. Bob and Bluffton, some sunshine returning to the area this afternoon. A lot of cloud cover early on. 33 for the high, 17 this evening. Looking at our almanac, in Brainerd, we reached a high of 30 today, a little bit above average. Our average high temperature for today is 26. 15 for the low. We had sunrise at 7:24. In Bemidji, we reached a high of 25, so pretty much on target. The average high temperature for today in Bemidji is 23. -2 was the low, and sunset at 5:39. Highs around the rest of the state, a fairly comfortable day. Many of us in the 30s, otherwise a few 20s out there. 25 in Park Rapids, or in Grand Rapids, 28 in Park Rapids, with 34 in Roseau, 32 in Little Falls. Low temperatures for the most part in the single digits across most of northern Minnesota. We had 7 in Fosston, 8 Park Rapids. Grand Rapids a bit cooler at 0, 18 in Little Falls. So as we look at the radar, you can see some of the areas of snow that are impacting the southeastern part of Minnesota, bringing some light snow to that area. But for us in the northern and central parts of the state, it looks pretty quiet as we head into the overnight hours. Expect to see clear to partly cloudy skies, lows dropping to about 9, maybe even into the teens across our viewing area. Looking at tomorrow, pretty quiet once again, partly to mostly sunny skies across the north. Highs in the 20s in the northwestern part of the state, but it looks like most of us should be seeing highs in the 30s as we head into tomorrow. 34 Bemidji, 36 in Grand Rapids. In central Minnesota, pretty much the same thing. We are looking at partly to mostly sunny skies with those temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 30s, so a very mild day tomorrow. As we head through the week, the weather conditions will remain pretty quiet, but it does look like temperatures will be a bit cooler later on. So as we look at our forecast for tonight, clear to partly cloudy, lows around 9 with south winds at 5 to 10. And for tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies, quiet in the northern and central parts of the state, 33 for the high. And again, pretty quiet as far as wind conditions. Looking at the rest of the week, not a lot to see. Partly to mostly cloudy skies later on this week. And as you can see, temperatures are a little bit cooler. Highs in the 20s by Thursday, mid-20s as we head into the start of the weekend on Friday and into Saturday. But again, partly to mostly cloudy skies. It looks like temperatures pretty consistent. On Sunday, we're looking at highs near 29, lows near 15.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.